Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today I want to talk about sandblasting cabinets and the one modification that I keep seeing every place online that everybody says you should make, but it's a complete waste of time. And that's sealing your cabinet to get rid of leaks. Okay, let's get this part over with. Sealing a sandblasting cabinet to get rid of leaks will not work. It has never worked. It never will work. It can only be part of the answer. This is the stuff that they gave me to seal up my sandblasting cabinet in the kit, and I didn't use it. I did not need it. Trying to seal a sandblast cabinet to the point where it will not leak is just impossible. You're putting air in, and the air has to go someplace. At 9 cubic feet a minute, you're replacing all that air in about 45 seconds. That means the air on the inside doubles every 45 seconds. It's going someplace. So try to imagine that air is going someplace. And if you seal your blast cabinet, it's like taking a balloon and filling it up till it can't take any more. So here you can see we've added a vent system to the side with a little motor that pulls 660 cubic feet a minute. So what we've accomplished here is we're creating negative pressure inside the cabinet. Now, the first day I ran this without this pump system on it, without this air pump, it did leak a little bit here and there. And since I put this on, I haven't had to clean this cabinet up in any way. I'm going to go ahead and set you up and show you how sandblasting something. But first, let's take a look at the top of the machine. As you can see, it all looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and let's hook up an air hose. There we go. So let's find something we can put inside it. Now I'm getting us all loaded up, so we've got something we can sandblast. Okay, we're all set up. Now, did you see that cloud that just popped up? That was me clearing the sandblaster. Every now and again the pickup tool will clog on it. Now you can see she's working like a champ again. This yellow thing is primer. As long as we get down to the primer, we're good to go. I'm going to clog in just a little bit here. Okay, after that much sanding, let's take a look at our cabinet and see what it looks like. Okay, that finally stopped. I left you there for an extra second. Oops, sorry about that. If you look along the seams where you would expect leaks, there's just nothing there. It's just a shadow. Around here, nothing. This cabinet is still spotless. Okay, I just finished the first run with the vent installed, because that wasn't installed when we started the video. And I discovered, here, let's look at it underneath. You can see I just cut a square hole. I cut a hole in each corner with a drill, and I cut a square hole that was about 80% of the vent itself. Maybe 70% of the vent itself. But it's got just enough vacuum to hold the door closed with that vent in place. And I sandblasted for about 20 minutes, and we still look pretty clean. So with that little vent in place, it worked the same way it did when I was cracking the door open. I'm getting just enough air in to create negative pressure inside the cabinet, and I'm pumping the air inside the cabinet out, which separates all the dust and makes it easy to work. So when you watch these videos that tell you have to seal your cabinet to keep the dust inside so it doesn't make a mess every place, don't believe it, don't buy it. It never worked, it never will work. You have to create a negative pressure because you're putting air in and it has to go someplace. So this whole thing cost me maybe $160. I spent about $125, $130 on the dust collector. And then the PVC and the little boots and everything I needed to attach it all together probably cost me another $30. Maybe $30 tops. So if your blast cabinet's blowing stuff all over the place, stop and think about the problem. Don't listen to these guys that are saying you need to seal your cabinet, because you really don't. What you need to do is give the air someplace to go. Well, thanks for watching. And all you new guys out there, go ahead and subscribe. You made it this far, you might as well. So we'll see you next time.